What Rahul Gandhi is now saying just ahead of the final phase of elections, the second phase there in Bihar, and really doubling down on his allegations about the special intensive revision of the voters list and the Election Commission's role in this. Rahul Gandhi is saying that the government and Election Commission collusion to steal votes. That's what he's alleging. He's saying votes were stolen in Haryana and Maharashtra. Remember, he has claimed that is the reason where it did seem that the Congress was going to win Haryana, that things went awry for them, is because of vote chori, and he says appeal to Bihar's youth to stay alert.
भाइयों और बहनों, चुनाव का समय है, पोलिंग बूथ पे आप सब सावधान रहिए। ये बीजेपी के लोग चोरी करने की कोशिश करेंगे, आप इनके सामने खड़े हो जाइए, वोट चोरी नहीं करने दीजिए, क्योंकि अगर आपने वोट चोरी रोक दी तो यहां पे महागठबंधन की सरकार बन रही है, 100% बन रही है।
All right, let's go back to Vasudha. And Vasudha, Rahul Gandhi really doubling down on the vote chori charge, as he has been, for the last couple of days, ever since that first press conference, and now claiming that he has more evidence. He will come out for more. But you've been on the ground there. Tell us about the impact, this entire controversy is having, if at all.
Well, Gargi, I did try very hard to ask people what they feel. Simhanchal is a volatile region. It's a sensitive part of the state. And like I was telling you, that it is Muslim dominated, specifically when you talk about districts like Kishanganj, which is also border constituency, shares borders with West Bengal and also with Nepal. And if you look at the constituencies of Araria and all, I did speak to a lot of youngsters. And Gargi, the one thing that they do want to talk about is, the lack of development, inadequate infrastructure, drug abuse, and more importantly, the fact that Simhanchal has lost out on a lot of growth and development opportunities. Infrastructure has not really developed there. Everybody talks about how great the roads are in several parts of Bihar, but in Simhanchal, even that has been a miss. They do talk about it. Yesterday, I did find youngsters speaking about SIR and vote chori, but it's only when you talk to them, when you grill them, if that's an issue, that they come and talk about it. It's not the first issue. It's not amongst the first 5 issues that they talk about. There are many complaints, but SIR and vote chori is not in the list of 10 complaints or like 8 complaints that they talk about. Only when you grill them, when you ask them about this, do they talk about it, which is why it makes me think if SIR and vote chori will really have that kind of resonance on ground or not, because as far as my ground reporting goes, it looks like it might not really have the resonance that the Congress party is hoping for.